Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include bucket seats, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.